Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here. Happy Thursday, March 7th, 2024. Say hi, don't be shy. Who's with me? Let's see you all. Let's bring up the chat. Let's engage. This is not a monologue. This is the channel for you. Everything here is for you. Say hi, don't be shy. Ask questions. Comments, everything that you want, put it in the chat. So, who is with me this morning, this afternoon? Hi, Ron, thank you very much for joining. Mookie, how are you? Hello, Burgerim from Carmiel. Next time in Israel, I'm coming for your burger. Hi, Erez, long time no see. How are you, my friend? I hope you have veggie burgers in Carmiel, because I do not eat meat. Hi Avi, thank you very much. Yag, thank you very much. Hi. Hello. Great to see you, everybody. Great to see you. Avishai is here. Who else is with me? JQ QWEGD. Hi. Hi, Rafi. Thank you very much for joining. Faiz, Hamir. Great to see you all. Just hit the like, hit the subscribe, and let's hit some charts. The first chart I want to talk about is Microsoft. You remember we talked about Apple. A few weeks ago, we said Apple have a massive double top scenario. Microsoft, same scenario. Look at this massive resistance at the 415, massive resistance. Now at the neckline at the 397, below it 390, 382 and 373 to the downside. Pre-market going back, retesting the yellow zone as resistance. But Microsoft looks not good. Apple, what can we say about Apple? Apple, we can add the lines. And look at this. Everything that you need. I'm missing the labels. Now we have also the labels. Under a sell pressure, this is the double top scenario we've talked about a few weeks ago. And the daily now, Apple is entering the double top scenario on the monthly. Look at this. Ignore the trend lines. Double top scenario on Apple on the monthly. First sell signal since January 2023. First sell signal on the monthly on Apple. Ladies and gentlemen, there is nothing bullish on Apple. Apple is breaking down. Apple goes to the 162 area and then 153. Below 153, this double top will take us to the 142 and 124. When? No one knows. We can ask Fibonacci. Fibonacci can tell us when. July 2024. Hard to believe, but this is what Fibonacci says. Fibonacci tells us July 2024. 124 on Apple is incoming, but for now we are in a double top scenario, massive double top scenario on Apple. And you know what does it mean? It means that if Apple goes down, Microsoft goes down, SPY, this is how the SPY on the monthly looks. We only started March, but if Apple goes down, Microsoft goes down, SPY goes down, and Qs will go down also. Doesn't mean that everything is going to crash. It doesn't mean that we need to close all our long positions. It just means that prepare for any scenario. Anything can happen. Bitcoin still in an uptrend. Sideways move. The sideways move can continue. Same as it did here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days. Here it went sideways 4 days. Now already sideways 4 days. So sideways move on Bitcoin before the next leg up is very common move price action on the Bitcoin. Ethereum on the 4 hours looks like this also. Sideways move. Long continuation above 39 inside this uptrend channel. As long as the 37.27 is holding, we are good to go long, and you have all the trend lines that the FTI provides us to give us everything that we need. Futures goes up, 2 hours chart. Futures broke above the yellow zone. Now let's see, breaking above this trend line, going back to the 51.50, and the 15 minutes, it looks like this. Uptrend, above a buy signal, long until proven otherwise. You have the narrow channel, you have the wider channel. Both channels goes up. What else interesting do we have? Gold on the monthly. This is how gold looks. On the weekly, this is how gold looks. Super bullish. Above the yellow zone. Next, 22.30 and then 23.20. This is how gold looks on the daily. Tesla. Nothing much on Tesla. Sell pressure below the yellow zone. Next is the 165, and then this gap at the 146 will get filled. This gap must get filled. Bulls of Tesla needs to give up and let bears fill this gap. Only then bulls of Tesla will gain the power back to the upside. Until then, nothing much on Tesla. And I don't care if it's Tesla. I don't care if it's a good or not company, leading company or not. I watch price action. And for now, price action goes one way, south. This is why we have the Fibonacci, the FTI. Look at this. What do you see? Downtrend until proven otherwise. Maybe all the way to filling this gap before April's earnings. What do you think about Tesla? Hi Ron, JBI or JBL? Janus International Group. Looks nice. Broke this downtrend channel, but now trying to get back inside it. If you want to go long, wait for break above and close above this 15 area, and then you will see back inside the uptrend channel. Overall, super nice trend. Janus International Group, JBI, a new name. This is why I love doing this live with you guys. You bring super interesting names. Another name to my watch list. Thank you very much. Hi Sharon, thank you very much for joining. Avi, what do you say about SOXL? Why do you want SOXL? How are you doing with the normal SOXX? Are you doing good with the SOXX? SOXL is the 3x for the SOXX. You want to go 3 times on the SOXX? You need to watch the SOXX. This is the SOXX, long continuation, above 232, then all these red levels to the upside. I don't recommend, this is the only tip I can share. Do not trade 3x ETFs unless you are super professional. Don't do it. Don't do it to yourself. Don't do it to your portfolio. Long above 51.90, and then all these red levels to the upside. Overall, SOXL, same as SOXX, going to the upside. What else do we have? Who is buying Nvidia? It's so scary. Everybody's buying Nvidia because Nvidia is a beast. Everyone wants a piece of this beast. Long continuation, and then we will see 952, and then above 1K on Nvidia. As long as Nvidia is inside this uptrend channel, Nvidia goes up. Bitcoin, we just talked about Bitcoin. Here is Bitcoin. Long above 68, 69. Then we will see 73,600 and 80K. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. And if this bullish sentiment on Bitcoin will continue, 80K is incoming within March, maybe within next 2 weeks or so. Another 16% to the upside. It's a matter of days. In my opinion, matter of days, if not weeks, so days. But we will see. 80K. Mara. Let's talk about all the bit miners and all the Bitcoin followers. Start with Cypher. Uptrend. We got ourselves a buy signal. Let's see continuation above the 370 and then 450 and all these red levels to the upside. WULF holding the lower border of this uptrend channel below the sell signal. We need to break inside the yellow zone, only then long on WULF. KAN, nothing much. As you can see, Bitcoin goes up, but many miners just not going up. Super strange. Mara, the leader of all the bit miners, holding the lower border of this uptrend channel, but we are below the yellow zone. We are below the sell signal. No long on Mara. 2 days ago in the Discord, I've mentioned Mara have a double top scenario. Mara closed this gap, but we are still under the pressure of a double top scenario that can take Mara all the way back to 1760 and 1620. BTBT, downtrend, coin, uptrend. Next, above 240, you have all these levels to the upside. Inside this super bullish trend, HUT, hot, downtrend, below the sell signal, below the yellow zone. Look how easy it is to go fast and analyze stocks with the FTI on your chart. Without, with. Riot, holding above the lower border of this uptrend channel, but below the sell pressure, below the yellow zone, nothing much. Look at this double top on Riot. Same as Mara. Mara didn't start. Riot already finished this double top. Below this one, Riot goes 10.25. Monster, not master. MSTR, Monster MicroStrategy. Look at this monster stock. Everybody's talking Mara, Riot, CLSK. Look at MSTR, ladies and gentlemen. This stock gave us in January 20 since beginning of 2024 from here 2 months 100% to the upside. Long continuation above the 1364 and then 1570, 1700 and 2K for MicroStrategy. BITF, you see, same scenario, and all the Bitcoin followers. You have a massive double top on BITF, and the weekly top, double top, below 210, it's going sub 1. CLSK, under sell pressure, below the yellow zone, inside the yellow zone, holding barely the lower border of this channel. And Ethereum, Grayscale, Ethereum ETF, same as the Ethereum. So these were 2 minutes about all the bit miners, and everything follows Bitcoin. What do you mean no sound? No sound? Check. Please check Burgerim. We have sound. FND. FND. FND also. Ron, thank you very much. Bringing us some super nice setups. FND. Uptrend. Above the buy signal, above the yellow zone, long continuation above 126, and then you have 131, 134, 37, 40, and 44. I will, with your permission, set alert, go long, and FND above yesterday's highs. What else do we have? J&J, Johnson & Johnson. What's so interesting about Johnson & Johnson? It's inside a long-term uptrend channel since October, but we got ourselves a sell signal because we broke 3 days in a row inside the yellow zone. So no long on J&J for now. Watch out, you have a double top scenario on J&J that can take you all the way to 156 and 155. My 2 cents on J&J. Hi Allah, thank you very much for joining. Harel, hi. Harel and I just finished today the 4th session in the mentorship program. Harel, you're more than welcome to say what you think about the mentorship program overall, whether you think it's bad or good. Anything goes. Be true to yourself. How was the mentorship? AI. It's an uptrend channel, but inside the yellow zone, nothing much on AI. I want to see continuation at least 2 days above the yellow zone, above the 33 area. Until then, nothing much. You have a double bottom scenario, super nice double bottom, but I want to see another 2 days above the yellow zone, and then we can start taking long position according to this trend line that can take us all the way to 46.83. This is my 2 cents on AI. TDT. Just hit the like, hit the subscribe. And if you want, super chat. Let me know. How do I know that you like what you see? My content, my lives, my videos. If you hit the like, if you hit the subscribe, and if you want super chats, then I will take your questions. Up ahead, TTD, uptrend until proven otherwise. I want to see continuation above the yellow zone. We are below the sell signal only because we are inside the yellow zone. 2-3 days above the yellow zone, and this sell signal will disappear, and then we can start taking long position all the way up according to the Fibonacci, to the FTI road to the future. 94, 110, and 136. What else do we have? Good morning, Lital. SOUN. What do we say about SEOUN? Uptrend. We have a massive gap at the 242. We are below a sell signal inside the yellow zone. Long continuation. 2-3 days only above the 556. Be careful. It's a meme stock. Careful. Trading this. Super careful. Hi Nadav. Airbnb for Alad. Airbnb, we took long yesterday. We took long in the premium room. Overall, super nice uptrend. Above a buy signal, above the yellow zone. Long continuation. Until proven otherwise. Super bullish. Airbnb, your stop loss should be at the 157, 156. Now, if you don't know how to use stop loss, let's do something that I teach in my mentorship. First, the strat is a part of the mentorship. We go thoroughly about the strat and how we use strat for our advantage, and how we use strat to know where price might be heading next. And we use strat together with Fibonacci and trend lines to identify trend reversal before they happen. Now, let's say you want Airbnb, go long. Where do you put your stop loss and how do you manage your risk? Entry price. Every stock has its own volatility. Every stock on every time frame has its own volatility and its difference between each and every time frame. So let's say Airbnb on the daily time frame has a volatility of 4.97. This is exactly why we use ATR, average true range. It takes the high and the low, high minus low, high minus low, high minus low, average 14 last 14 candles, and there you have it. So your stop, the volatility of Airbnb and the daily, it moves approximately average 4 points to the upside and to the downside, which means that if you entered a certain price, your stop loss should be minimum 5 points below. Minimum. So if you entered 165, for example, your stop loss should be 160. Here. This is how you manage stop loss at the highest probability. Have many more ways to manage stop loss and more accurate ways, but this one, we use it. Super simple. Entry price minus ATR. Entry price minus ATR. Airbnb, looking good. What else do we have? Thank you, Eret. Race. Let's check race. Overall uptrend. We have a sell signal because we have a gap down. Monday gap down. So we have a sell signal. Doesn't mean we need to go short. It just means that the FTI helps us to manage our position. And it says if you're already long on race, if you're long on Ferrari, my dream car, one day I will own a Ferrari, but not before securing my kids' future education, future financial freedom for my kids. Only then I will sell everything that I own, go somewhere far, buy a Ferrari, and buy a Harley Davidson. Few years, just in few years. Anyway, race. Just sharing with you thoughts, wishes, thoughts. This is why we're here, to talk, to share thoughts, to share ideas, to share dreams that can come true. Financial freedom through trading. If you want financial freedom through trading, you have one choice. You need to choose Fibonacci-Traders. I guarantee I will do everything in my power to help you gain financial freedom through trading. Why? Because I've made it. I know what you're going through, all the ups, all the downs. I know how to help you manage them, manage the emotions, manage the ups, manage the downs, manage everything that you need with lifetime access for support and guidance. Lifetime access for support and guidance. Because it takes time. And I'm here to help. I'm here to guide. And I'm here to support. As long as you will take my guidance and support. Anyway, race. If you want to go long above 418 and then long continuation on race. What else? FSLY. What do you see? What do you see? No need anything. Just look. What do you see? Downtrend until proven otherwise. Sell pressure below the yellow zone, inside the downtrend channel, nothing much on FSLY. You want to go short. Short continuation below 1330, and then you have 970. This is how it looks. Sorry. This is how it looks. We can take Fibonacci, give us some more here. Below 1312, 1230, 1110, and then 10 to the downside. This is FSLY. You're more than welcome, Erez. Thank you. Thank you very much, Ariel. Appreciate it very much. We just finished today the 4th session of the mentorship. Excellent teaching and highly recommended for everyone. I didn't pay him. It's not a commercial. I did not pay him to say it. What else do we have? CCJ. CCJ, below a sell signal, broke below an uptrend channel, inside the yellow zone, nothing much on CCJ, short continuation below the 40.95 towards 39.74 and then 37.70. What else do we have? Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I don't see, have you? Smash that subscribe. And we have also this, financial freedom through trading. So, let's see futures. Futures, still an uptrend. Always zoom in, zoom out. You see a red candle on the 15 minutes. Zoom out. The higher time frame still goes up. Bitcoin, inside candle. CCJ going down. IRT this week, do you think it's breaking out? IRT. Let's see IRT. IRT. Long continuation above 16 towards 1655 and then 17, and you have all these levels to the upside. Overall IRT looking good. You need long continuation above this area. This area super tough resistance. Look left, all this area, the 16, 1, 2, this is the third time, got rejected. In the past it was a very important area of support. Now super tough resistance breaking up. You will see a massive bull run to the 17 and all the way to the 19 area to the upside. Super nice, but careful now. You have a doji. We might get pullback. Wait for continuation above the 16. You're more than welcome. Hi Sharon. You want T? T, I'm also waiting. You see I have an alert on T over here. I'm waiting for a break above 1736 and then I will go long on T, and then you have all the levels to the upside holding this trend line 1761, 18 and all the levels to the upside, managing our risk according to the green line and the Fibonacci levels. What else in this period that we all wait for market to give discount? Do you think no? You can wait. Everybody is waiting. Why wait? Everybody's waiting for Nvidia for a pullback to give you a discount. Everybody's waiting for AMD. For now, everything goes up. You might miss another percentage to the upside. Don't wait for something that might not even come. You can have maybe 2-3 days to the downside and then back to the upside. Why wait? I manage my stop loss as usual. I have the green line, I have the Fibonacci, I have ATR. My stop losses are same as always. Hood. Holding nice above the yellow zone. Broke below the option channel. This is why we got ourselves a sell signal. Long continuation above the 1640 towards 1722 and then 1963. Signa. Long time since I heard this name. The Signa Group. Let's manage a little bit closer. This one, you have the uptrend, sideways move. You want to go long, close above the 341.60 and then you can start your long once again. And the Signa Group, CI is the ticker. Good evening to you also, Ron. Palantir is too late. Too late for what? With all the news moving sideways, all the news about this ticker, about this company in the past few weeks or so, moved sideways. Nothing much. Careful. You have a massive gap to the downside. You have a double top scenario. Look at all this area. Massive resistance. You want to go long? Wait for a close above the 2682. Just manage your risk according to the Fibonacci or the ATR or this green line. You choose as long as you manage the risk. It's never too late. Don't forget Palantir once was at the 45. So even if you enter now and it will reach 45, you still have 70% to the upside. It's never too late. As long as you have a proper risk management. How about the run of DRS? How high? It can go to the moon. Everything can go to the moon. DRS, Leonardo, not Fibonacci, it's Leonardo DRS. Everything that concerns Leonardo, it's perfect. Put your money on it. Everywhere you hear Leonardo, put your money on it. Leonardo Pizza. Go eat pizza for sure. Best pizza you'll ever have. Leonardo Fibonacci. Fibonacci levels. DRS. Leonardo DRS. Look at this magnificent bull run. Where can it go? Above the 2370, 2660, and 31. As long as Leonardo DRS is inside this uptrend channel, you're good to go. Your risk, you have the green line, you have the yellow zone. Just choose one and manage your risk. That's it. Leonardo DRS. I'm putting an alert. I'm going long once we'll have a close above the 2370. What else do we have? What else? Thank you, Nada, for joining. UPS. You have this channel, downtrend channel. You want to go long? I will wait for a break above this channel. Let's see the weekly. Clean the chart a little bit. Too noisy. Weekly also a downtrend. Let's see if the week can close above this yellow zone. Weekly close above the 153, 154, and then UPS is good for long. Always zoom in, zoom out. Always. You also have a massive double tops. Look, without the FTI. You have downtrend, bounce, same area of support. Now trying to bounce, get back to this area. You have this gap over here. This gap got filled. Going to this gap, above this gap, it goes 161 and then 163, 172, and then all the way to 190. You have a massive, super nice double bottom scenario on UPS. United Parcel Service. Thank you very much, Yag. Continue to follow this name and update us every day. Update us what's going on with UPS. You want to go long? You're good to go long at least until the 156, and then 161 will be the next major tough resistance. RSKD. I see you out there. Say hi. Don't be shy. Who didn't hit the like? Come on, ladies and gentlemen. This is the only thing I ask. Hit the like. Hit the subscribe. Bring friends. Let's grow this channel together. Let's become the ultimate technical analysis community that everybody's making money by hard work. Not selling dreams. It's hard work. But super rewarding. Super. RSKD. Uptrend. Nice uptrend. Let's see what the Fibonacci channels says. Here you have it. Fibonacci channels. You have inside this channel, above this channel, you're entering this channel. You want also with the Fibonacci levels. Here is the Fibonacci levels. Here you have it. Long continuation about 525. You will see 676. If you want to know how to use the Fibonacci, how to use it together with the strat, together with the Fibonacci channel, just choose your financial freedom. Just choose your path. Choose financial freedom through trading with the Fibonacci Discord. Not Fibonacci Discord. Fibonacci Discord is a part of the Fibonacci Mentorship. One-on-one live with me. No one else. I'm not selling you. I'm not a salesperson that sells you somebody else. Everything that you see is me. One-on-one live mentorship program with lifetime access, guidance, support, all Discord channels, everything that you need. Hebrew, English, choose it. Choose your language, choose your path. Let me help you reach financial freedom through trading. It's possible. I've made it. What else? Carvana CVNA. What do you see on Carvana? You have a gap over here. All this area. Support. Broke above. Long continuation above 85 area. Then, where Carvana might be heading next? Don't break your head. Ask Fibonacci. 104, 134, 83 to the upside. Thank you very much, Lital. This is why we are here. Also, thank you very much, Erez. W, UPS. UPS we just talked about. YAG. Carvana we just talked. And thank you very much for joining this live. I hope you find it helpful, educational, and as always, hit a like, hit a subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you very much, Yag, for this amazing super chat. Thank you very much, Yag. Amat, last for Yag, because he contribute and support this channel every day. Yag supports us. Yag supports the Fibonacci channel. Amat, what do you see? Just put the Fibonacci, the FTI, this amazing tool on your chart, and here you have it. Long continuation above 214 towards 226, 241, and as long as this channel goes up, and as long as price is inside this channel, price goes up. Manage your risk according to the Fibonacci, according to the green line, or the ATR. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much, Yag, for this amazing super chat. Once again, I appreciate each and one of you for taking the time and joining me on this live. Until the next video, until the next live, please stay safe.